Hello YouTube. This is Saturday, January 31st, 2015, around 11 a.m. and the temperature is 20 degrees. This is going to be one of those 2, maybe 3-part videos, and this is also for my friends Jesse and Mike down south. As you can see, it's partly sunny and not doing anything right now, but beginning tomorrow, besides the Super Bowl here in America, where I live here in Ohio, we're supposed to get 5 to 9 inches of snow, and it's supposed to continue snowing right through Monday morning or Monday afternoon, I'm not sure. So we got about 2 or 3 inches from the last one, storm we had. So yeah, guys, I'll try to get part 2. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Maybe even a part 3 on Monday. But for now, I'll say later. Good morning, YouTube. It's 8:30 a.m., February the 1st, 2015, and this is part 2 of that snow video, because it's real fine, but it's coming down. It looks like we might have not quite an inch yet. Yep. If it keeps snowing like this, or any heavier, I would say that by tomorrow we could have anywhere from 5 to 9 inches like they're predicting. I don't know that I can build a snowman out of this yet, but for Jesse and Mike, I'll give it a try. Later, guys. Hi, guys. This is a slight update from the Part 2 video that I made just a little while ago, about 15 minutes ago. As you can see, the snow is coming down a lot harder now. I also have an update on the amount we're supposed to get. They say now, in our area, we're to get 3 to 5. North of us is to get the 5 to 9. It's really coming down. The reason why for the change is they say that sometime later today or tonight it's supposed to switch to rain and snow mixed. So I'll be putting all these little short parts together into one big video. Later, guys. Okay, guys, my friend Jesse and Mike keep asking me to build a snowman, so here he is. Under the circumstances, it's the best we could do. So there you go, guys. There's your snowman. Enjoy. Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday, February the 2nd, 2015, and this is the last part of the snow video. It's also Groundhog Day. We got about 3 to 4 inches on top of what we already had. I don't know if the groundhog will see a shadow today. If he does, it's going to be very surprising. And as you can see, the road's pretty icy, slushy. So, we did have rain last night. So, yep, they wasn't too far off. Later, guys.